Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove add to cart button from your Shopify store. So as you can see, we guys are right now on my store. So I'm logged into my account. The first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and search for online store. Once you find this, click on it and then make sure you are right here in themes. Once you are here, as you can see guys, from here you are gonna find your theme, and if you scroll down you are gonna find some free themes you can add. If you like, you can click on add and then you are gonna change to that theme. So in order to remove the button, go here to these three dots, click here and then go to edit code. Once you click on edit code, go to the search bar and then search for main dash product, and then once you find it, it's gonna be under sections. Click on it and then once you are here on your keyboard, you need to press Ctrl plus F in order to find cards. So basically guys, once you search for cards, make sure you find this script. So this is basically guys the script for the button. All you need to do guys, once you find it, is select it all and then press delete. Once you do that, go ahead and click on save and then you will remove the button. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.